Right, I've just registered us at Keraudren. As you come in, you must stop to register. Now you can book online or in person. We're doing it in person or physically. There's a schedule of fees. So $15 per vehicle. It doesn't matter if you've got National Parks Pass, that must be paid. Adults $15 per night and concession $10 a night. So we pay $25 a night to be here. We've got this little slip. So you have an envelope, you fill it in, put your money in, drop it into here, fill in your slip, it goes on your dash, and it's very clearly signed everywhere. So put this on the dash, here we go.
I'm standing on the boat ramp at Cape Keraudren. Keraudren is about 150 k's eastish of Port Hedland, and the turn-off is at the Pardue Roadhouse. It's a great campground. It's very big. There's about 3 sections that we've seen so far, but I'm not sure there's only 3 sections. All large areas. It looks like each of them has their own toilet, possibly their own dump point, because we've seen a couple of dump points. There's several day use areas, being a shade shelter and tables and chairs, and it's just fabulous.
Right, we're just at Keraudren and we've just come down because the tide's nearly out, and we're just having a walk around what was underwater about an hour ago. Oh, I feel sorry for him, he's probably so scared.
He doesn't like it when you're on that side, I think. There it is. Nothing quite like a barbie with a view. We're just taking a walk out to the Cape, heading north from the campground. Very rocky track.
Well, now it's smooth.
But now we just got onto the sandy part. We're standing on the northernmost tip of Cape Keraudren. We're going to see if we can find where the vermin-proof fence ends. I think that's just a little bit further.
It's very rocky here. You've got to be careful and wear good footwear, but it's well worth the walk for the view. We're heading for the end of the rabbit-proof fence. We did come this morning to find it, but the tide was in and we couldn't see anything. So we're going out now that the tide is almost fully out, and to see if we'll find it this time.
Cape Keraudren is also known because the rabbit-proof fence, which extends from Starvation Harbour on the southwest coast to Cape Keraudren, a distance of 1,837, the northern end extends into the water at Cape Keraudren. Surveyed by surveyor A. Canning between 1901 and 1905, and the fence construction was completed in 1907. Unfortunately, the rabbit-proof fence let a few rabbits through and it wasn't all that successful. The northern end of the rabbit-proof fence extends into the water at Cape Keraudren. Best viewed at low tide, or not at high tide. It can't be seen at high tide.
Right, we found the end of the rabbit-proof fence and we walked down and we had a look. So yes, low tide made it easy to get to and visible. Then we decided to look for the sign because we couldn't find it, and the GPS point where the plaque was. So we found where the GPS coordinates were, and the plaque has gone, and 2 meters behind this was where the sign was located, and that is also gone.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got something of use out of the show. Please like, share, subscribe and keep on watching. See you next time.